Feltes Gantry cranes represent excellent German brand name products displaying high quality standards. The crane is the ideal lifting aid for easily and safely moving loads up to 1500 kilograms. And it can easily be transported to the site. The collapsible side stands can also be carried by one person. Transport in service vehicles through narrow stairwells or in lifts is also possible. The collapsing function displayed by the support and the trapezoidal plastic panels facilitates swift setup without requiring any tools. The simple plug-in system can be set up by a single person within a few minutes. One side stand features a horizontal adjuster made of plastic which offers the possibility of using the support in a variable manner. In restricted spaces, it is important to be able to slide the support inwards. A full crane comprises two side stands, a support and a pulley block. One side of the support is inserted into the sleeve and the other side is positioned inside the horizontal adjuster. The sleeve is secured with a pin. The other end is secured by tightening with tensioning screws. Support lengths are manufactured for a clear width of 2 to 5 meters for loads of up to 1500 kilograms. Apart from standard sizes permanently stocked, we can also manufacture individual sizes. The maximum support length is 8 meters, although the maximum capacity load is reduced as of a support length of 5 meters. A 4-meter support weighs 40 kilograms. The pulley block is mounted and secured. The lifting gear, a chain host, a wedged host or an electric chain host can then be mounted. Height adjustment is simple. Pull the height adjustment pin and raise the support to the requisite working height. The pin is reinserted and secured. Please ensure that individual system components such as pins and linch pins are used as original parts. Spare parts are available immediately if lost. The respective load can then be raised. All models have a load-bearing capacity of 1500 kilograms and are compatible. This gives rise to a wide variety of application possibilities. The Gantry crane system is available in 3 different sizes. The mini model has a suspended height of 118 cm to 210 cm for the chain host.